Hallo al my TikTokkers, ek hoop dit gaan met julle almal goed op hierdie Sondag. Nou die van julle wat my nou al lank genoeg follow en my video's kyk, weet julle dat ek 'n video gemaak het van what if. What if you can come through your month without your 9 to 5 salary? So, toe het ek vir julle gewys van die pineappel wat ek geprobeer het en only what if, just a update. What if it can only work? Look at that. This is how this pineapple is growing because I believe to take the chance on what if. So if you want to take a chance on what if this $10 side hustle can make a difference in your 9 to 5 salary and your monthly income, just give me a pineapple in the comments and I will come back to you and tell you exactly how you can also make a difference in your financial life.